What's up guys, it's Tommy here, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods 3 and giving my first impressions on these earbuds. I bought these from the Apple website for $179. Having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the box itself is pretty simple. You can go ahead and see the AirPods here at the top of the box, and then on the right and left side we just have an Apple logo. On the bottom you can go ahead and see here that these are the AirPods 3rd generation, and then here on the left side we can go ahead and see the devices that are compatible with these AirPods. And then if we turn it all the way around, we can go ahead and see some text that just says AirPods MagSafe charging case. And if we go ahead and flip to the bottom of the box, you will go ahead and see some green arrows right over here where we can go ahead and open up the AirPods themselves, which is what we're about to do right now. So you'll see that it is like a tab. We'll go ahead and peel these off. And then we'll go ahead and flip the box over once again, pull the top off. And the first thing we see is designed by Apple in California. Here's where all the paperwork is going to be. The first being what looks like a quick start guide, probably just some instructions on how to actually use the AirPods themselves, and then just some more paperwork such as warranty and so on. We're going to go ahead and set those to the side, and here we can go ahead and see the AirPods themselves. We can go ahead and take them right out. So here's the AirPod case. Obviously the AirPods are inside. It looks very similar to the AirPods Pro case. I do not know if it's exactly the same, as I do not own a pair of AirPods Pro. You will also notice it is surrounded in this type of plasticky wrap, so we're going to go ahead and take that off. And it comes right off like so. Let's go ahead and check out the AirPods themselves. They look freaking beautiful in my opinion. Let's go ahead and take one out. Super nice looking AirPod. It's very tiny as well. I'll go ahead and show you guys a comparison with the first generation AirPod, and you can see the difference there. Definitely a massive difference in size. I'm extremely excited to try these out. First impressions is that I'm really digging them so far. I believe they're the same size as the AirPods Pro, except that they don't have that rubber tip, which is the reason why I didn't get the AirPods Pro. I'm not really a fan of the rubber tip. I like how it feels without them, so I'm really excited to try these out. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. So we do have a pull tab here that we're gonna go ahead and just lift up on. And then all we have here is a USB-C to Lightning charging cable, as you guys can go ahead and see right here. Now, just like the new iPhones, AirPods 3 do not come with a charging brick, which is a little disappointing. However, it was never the best charger to begin with, at least not compared to the Nano Pro by Anker. This is definitely the best charging brick I've ever used. It charges an iPhone 2.5 times faster than a standard 5-watt charger, so I'm sure those speeds will translate to AirPods as well. I'll have a link in the description if you'd like to check these out, but let's go ahead and link up the AirPods to our iPhone and go ahead and test them out and see how they look in ear as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pair these right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and hold the button on the back, and then we should get a prompt asking to connect. While trying to pair our AirPods, we did get this message on our iPhone saying some features of this audio accessory require a newer version of iOS. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit setup with limited functionality. Here you'll decide if you want the AirPods to go ahead and announce calls and notifications. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit announce calls, and then the AirPods are now paired. As you see here, we do have 79% battery life. We'll hit done. So now that they're connected, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, see how they look in ear, and also just go ahead and test out the sound quality as well. So I'll see you guys in just a few seconds. Alright guys, so I have both AirPods in ear right now, and I'm just gonna quickly do like kind of like a 360/180 and just show you guys how they look in ear, so you guys get a better understanding of what you guys can expect if you do decide to get these AirPods. So yeah, this is how you're going to be looking. Now I'm going to quickly play a song just to see, first impressions, how it actually sounds. So I have the AirPods about 75%. I'm going to go ahead and switch it up to 100, and it sounds very loud. But again, I am in a quiet room. But yeah, first impressions, sound quality is legit, really good, no complaints there. Obviously I'm going to go ahead and use them day to day and see exactly how these AirPods hold up over time. But that basically sums it up guys. I'll go ahead and do a couple more close-ups with the AirPods in ear. But that basically sums up this unboxing and first impressions. Overall, from what I've seen so far, I am satisfied with this design. It looks amazing. They're very small and they fit in ear really good. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll definitely go ahead and check those out. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.